We are from Vets Pharma Limited, a company from northern India. So we are in this business from 1979 and from last 32 years serving the livestock and the poultry industry. And from last few years we are in this Poultry India show covering entire India along with a few Asian countries. We are exporting to Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Philippines. We have a lot of products. We are the pioneer in launching levofloxacin, that is a latest third generation fluoroclone. And we have a good water solubles like our brand Calphosvet CS, which is calcium phosphorus with multi-minerals. We also had a unique product, Grow Gold Booster, which is a unique water soluble combination of enzymes, vitamins and minerals. Along with that, we have a phytogenic Livron, a unique combination of Indian herbs with Occinum centum as a 10%, which is a very good antioxidant. So with this, we are gearing up in poultry industry. We have different kind of products, like we have anti-infectives which are useful as a troubleshooter in point of treatment. We have feed additives, which is preventive, growth promoters, which help the farmer to get better profits. We have our own feed force, our dealer network throughout India, and CNF for each state. And our people promote the products, and these type of exhibition like Poultry India help us to reach to the all customer in the nook and corners. It's not a pesticides, it's a feed and the medicines. This is a pharmaceutical drugs and feed additives which are used in the feed formulation. There are a lot of client base. It is not the companies, but it is the farmers and the integrators throughout India, starting from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from here Rajasthan to Assam. So we are having a system, our field force visit different farms. So basically we supplying to feed mills and farmer hatcheries. The appeal for the viewer is that the poultry is a very upcoming industry. Invest in the industry wisely and have the organized approach, very profitable business, and the government is giving a lot of initiative. It's an agro-based business, and people should come up and set up their own poultry setups so that it's a good future for India. Worldwide vegetarian, but still if you take the data, adopting vegetarian, but the growth in both egg and the chicken side is improving. In India also the consumption, if you take over last 5 to 10 years, it has increased. No doubt people provocate vegetation, but non-vegetarians or egg eating is a healthy way to bring up, because this is the most nutrition thing, like egg a day, the only nutrients, because the vegetables and the fruits we are getting mostly are heavy pesticides, and this is the natural way, and I think egg is the best source of protein right now.